Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the network and the Roblox client. This eliminates obvious drop causes fast. Restart your router and device, then run a speed test to confirm at least 3 megabits per second for download and upload. Once done, open Roblox and force an update by signing out, closing the app, and relaunching. This clears cache discrepancies. Make sure to use a wired connection if possible. Wired reduces packet loss versus Wi-Fi, and that often fixes intermittent disconnects. Next, you tackle the network path and system restrictions that cause disconnects. Enable UPnP on your router or manually forward UDP ports 49,152 through 65,535 to the gaming device, because Roblox uses dynamic high ports for traffic. Once done, disable VPNs and proxies and close bandwidth-hungry apps so latency stays low. You also need to allow Roblox executables through your firewall. Add explicit rules for Roblox Player and Roblox Player Launcher. Doing that prevents the OS from cutting. Finally, you validate fixes and prepare a fallback plan. Test connecting using another device or a different Roblox account to determine whether the issue is local to one setup. Once done, clear the Roblox cache by removing the local app data Roblox folder or using the client reset. This removes corrupt session files. If disconnects continue, gather game logs and timestamps. Then contact support, include ping values and packet loss numbers, because concrete data speeds resolution. Quick tip: reboot router and device together before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.